So friends, one of the biggest upgrades the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will bring over its predecessor is a massive edge-to-edge cover screen, and today we get to see the cover screen in action thanks to a short hands-on video posted on X by Andrew Ekno, and this video also somewhat answers a question we have had on our minds. With the cover screen now taking up the entire top half, what will be the display area next to the cameras be used for? When scrolling through the cover screen pages and widgets, the area is simply used for displaying the date and time, and there is also a white dot that could be an indicator that you have unread notifications, and it's likely that area will also be used to display the now bar when supported activities like music playback and timer countdown are running. However, we will have to wait for the official unveiling of the phone or for an even more detailed leak to see if that's the case. And we also get to see the Flip 7's foldable display in action, and Samsung is increasing the inner display size to 6.9 inches up from 6.7 inches on previous models. The borders around the screen, which acts as protection when the device is folded, still look to be the same size as before. As for the design, Samsung has reportedly made the Flip 7 0.8mm thinner when folded and 0.4mm thinner when unfolded compared to the Flip 6. But without the two phones next to each other, it's hard to really notice. Just another thing we probably won't be able to check until the Flip 7 goes official and we get our hands on it. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.